In your WordPress site, you can group your posts into categories, or you can add tags to your posts. Now, what is the difference with using categories versus using tags? So for categories, you're actually grouping them into groups. So for example, I'm going to make a new post here that will be about dogs. So the title of the post is dogs. Then let's type something in the body part. I like dogs so much. Alright. Then, just for the sake of examples, let's pretend that this is a paragraph. Alright, there we go. We have one. I'm going to save it as a draft. Now, I can assign this post into the pets category instead of just being in the uncategorized section. So let's do that right now. Save draft. Once you save the draft, it will save the changes to your post. So it will now be saved as in the pets category instead of in the uncategorized section. Now let's make another one. Okay, now I'm writing a post about cats. Alright, for the sake of an example, we're going to pretend that this one is long as well. It has a paragraph, so there you go. We're going to go ahead and click on the save draft, or before we do that, we're going to put it in the pets category since it also talks about cats as pets. Then save draft. So as you can see, we have a post for dogs and for cats, and those are similar because they're all about pets, pet animals, so you can assign them in the pets category. Now, when we say tags, tags are like keywords, and these keywords or tags can be used by anyone who is searching for something or some information on your website or blog site. Please take note as well that tags can be unrelated as opposed to categories which should be related to one another. So when we say categories, the posts inside one category must be related or similar to one another. But tags, it doesn't matter. It could be unrelated. One post can have this set of tags and the other can have a different set of tags, and it doesn't matter. So like this. Or let me show you an example on how different they are using the same two articles. So I will be including a new statement or a new sentence here. There was an epidemic among cats last year. So I'm going to add the tag cat because the cat keyword or word is still related to the article. Add. I'm going to put epidemic because the article still talks about an epidemic. It was stated. There you go. And of course, I'm going to add pet because it's still talking about pets, which is, of course, in this article, cats. There you go. Please take note, I have cat, epidemic, and pet. Now let's go to the other post, which is the one for dogs. Oh, my apologies. Let's save it first. Okay. Let's go to the post for dogs. Now, I'm going to add a new sentence here. Okay, let's just leave it as is. There is an upcoming fashion show contest for dogs. Alright, so now let's go to the tags part again. We can use pet because the article is still talking about pet, or of course, dogs as pets. It's still related. Dogs. And now show or fashion show. As you can see, the only similarity is that both articles, the cat article and the dog article, have the tag or the keyword pet. The rest is unrelated. The cat article used epidemic, which is not present here, and the dog article used the tags or keywords dog and show, which is also not present in the cat article. So as you can see, this is the difference. For categories, the posts in the category must be related to one another, but for tags, it doesn't matter. These are just keywords. Now, when someone searches for information on your site, for example, information about dogs, information about shows or dog shows, fashion shows, information about epidemics on cats or cat illnesses. When they use those keywords, the system will pull up the articles that bears those keywords or tags, regardless of the category. And remember, please take note that categories have a hierarchy. They can be nested, so a category can have a subcategory. So with that, thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.